The Bhopal Sir's Beginner Series. In its Bhopal Sir's career point, the freshers don't be hurry because I am Bhopal Sir together with you Beginners Chemistry Series on basic concept in chemistry, both in English and Odia language. Let us come for the second part of this series. Bhopal Sir is with you at your every suggestion and comments. In this video, we will study about matter and its physical classification. এই ভিডিওରେ ଆମେ ମ୍ୟାଟର କ'ଣ ପଢ଼ିବୁ ଏବଂ ତାର ଫିଜିକାଲ କ୍ଲାସିଫିକେସନ କଥା ଜାଣିବୁ। ସୋ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଅଲ୍ କମ୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ମ୍ୟାଟର, ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଡୁ ୟୁ ମିନ୍ ବାଇ ମ୍ୟାଟର। ଆମେ ମ୍ୟାଟର କହିଲେ କ'ଣ ବୁଝିବା? ଏନିଥିଙ୍ଗ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ହେଜ୍ ମାସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅକୁପାଇ ସ୍ପେସ୍ ଇଜ୍ କଲ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାଟର। ଯେକୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ ଯାହାର ନିଜର କିଛି ବସ୍ତୁତ୍ୱ ଥାଏ ଓ ଯେ କିଛି ସ୍ଥାନ ଅଧିକାର କରେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ମ୍ୟାଟର ବୋଲି କହିଥାଉ। ହାଉ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ୟୁ ଗେଟ୍ ନଲେଜ୍ ଆବାଉଟ୍ ଦ ମ୍ୟାଟର? Various knowledge about the matter can be gathered by help of our five natural senses, that is sight, smell, taste, touch and hearing. ଆମର ପଞ୍ଚେନ୍ଦ୍ରିୟ ସାହାଯ୍ୟରେ ଆମେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ବିଷୟରେ ସମସ୍ତ ପ୍ରକାରର ଜ୍ଞାନ ଆହରଣ କରିଥାଉ। Now let us come for the classification of matter. Matter is classified in two ways. Matter can be classified in two ways such as physical classification and chemical classification. এই ভিডিওରେ ଆମେ କେବଳ physical classification କଥା ପଢ଼ିବା। Let us come for the physical classification of matter. Under ordinary conditions of temperature and pressure, matter can be generally classified into three different physical states, that is solids, liquids and gases. ସାଧାରଣ ତାପମାତ୍ରା ଓ ଚାପରେ matter ସାଧାରଣତଃ ତିନୋଟି ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ରହିଥାଏ, କଠିନ, ତରଳ ଏବଂ ଗ୍ୟାସୀୟ। Let us come for the first state of the matter, that is solids. What are solids? The substances which possess a definite shape as well as definite volume are called solids. ଯେଉଁ ପଦାର୍ଥର ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଆକାର ଓ ଆୟତନ ଥାଏ ଆମେ ତାକୁ କଠିନ ପଦାର୍ଥ ବୋଲି କହିଥାଉ। The intermolecular force of attraction is maximum. In solid state, the intermolecular force of attraction ଆଣବିକ ଆକର୍ଷଣ ବଳ is maximum, ସବୁଠୁ ଅଧିକ ହୋଇଥାଏ। The intermolecular space is minimum. ଅଣୁ ଅଣୁ ଭିତରେ ଫାଙ୍କ solid state ସବୁଠୁ କମ୍ ହେଇଥାଏ। This cannot flow in any direction. ଏମାନେ କୌଣସି ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନରେ ଫ୍ଲୋ ହେଇପାରନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ due to strong intermolecular force of attraction. So this can be heaped. ତେଣୁ ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ଗଦେଇ ରଖି ହୁଏ and may or may not require a container for storage. ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଆଧାର ପାତ୍ରର ଦରକାର ହେଇପାରେ ନ ହେଇ ବି ପାରେ। Examples iron, silver, sand, etc. Let us come to the second state of the matter, that is liquids. What do we mean by liquids? The substances which possesses a definite volume but no definite shape are called liquids. ଯେଉଁ ପଦାର୍ଥ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଆୟତନ ନଥାଏ କିନ୍ତୁ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଆକାର ନଥାଏ ଆମେ ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଲିକ୍ୱିଡ୍ ବୋଲି କହିଥାଉ। The intermolecular force of attraction is less than solids but more than gases. Intermolecular force of attraction ଟି solid state ରେ ସବୁଠୁ ଅଧିକ, liquid ପାଖରେ solid ଟୁ କମ୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ଗ୍ୟାସ୍ ପାଖରୁ ଅଧିକ ହୋଇଥାଏ। The intermolecular space is more than solids but less than gases. This can flow from high level to low level. So this cannot be heaped and require a container, may be open or closed for storing. ଯେହେତୁ ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ଉଚ୍ଚରୁ ନିମ୍ନକୁ ଫ୍ଲୋ ହେଇପାରନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ଗଦା କରି ରଖି ହୁଏ ନାହିଁ। ଯେହେତୁ ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ଗଦା କରି ରଖି ହୁଏ ନାହିଁ ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ଷ୍ଟୋର କରିବା ପାଇଁ କଣ୍ଟେନରଟିଏ ଦରକାର। ସେ କଣ୍ଟେନରଟି ଖୋଲା ପାତ୍ର ହୋଇପାରେ ବା ଆବଦ୍ଧ ପାତ୍ରଟି ହୋଇପାରେ। Examples water, oil, alcohol, etc. Let us come for the third state of the matter, that is gases. What do we mean by gases? The substances which possesses neither definite volume nor definite shape are called gases. ଯାହାର ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଆକାର କି ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଆୟତନ ମଧ୍ୟ ନଥାଏ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଗ୍ୟାସୀୟ ପଦାର୍ଥ ବୋଲି କହିଥାଉ। The intermolecular force of attraction is minimum. In case of solid, the intermolecular force of attraction is maximum. In case of gas, the intermolecular force of attraction is minimum. But in case of liquid, it is intermediate, means less than solids but more than liquids. So in terms of force of attraction को नहीं आमे सबुठु solid रे अधिक बोली जानचु एवं सबुठु कम रहते हैं gas state. So what happens to intermolecular space? The intermolecular space is maximum due to least intermolecular force of attraction among them. They can flow in any direction. एमन जे कौन सी डायरेक्शन में फ्लो ही पारंती. So they require a closed container for storing. Examples: oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, etc. These are the three normal states of matter. Except these three above states, matter can exist in other two states also. These are plasma state and Bose-Einstein condensate, that is BEC. Let us come for the plasma state. What do you mean by plasma state? This is the fourth state of matter and consists of highly ionized gases in which particles exist in super energetic state. When the electric bulbs glow, the field inert gases are converted into plasma state and glow. ସେଥିରେ ଯେଉଁ ଇନର୍ଟ ଗ୍ୟାସ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଫିଲ୍ କରାହୋଇଥାଏ ସେମାନେ ପ୍ଲାଜମା ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍କୁ କନଭର୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଆନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ସେମାନେ ଗ୍ଲୋ କରନ୍ତି. The sun and the stars also glow due to the presence of plasma state of helium. Let us come for the fifth state of matter, that is the Bose-Einstein condensate. This is the fifth state of matter. This concept is given by Satyendra Nath Bose, an Indian scientist, and confirmed by Einstein. The process of supercooling a gas of extremely low density is called Bose-Einstein condensation, and the state of matter is called Bose-Einstein condensate, or shortcutly BEC. Thanks for watching Bhopal Search Career Point. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching it for the first time. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get timely updation of my new video. Thank you.